What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Brotherly Reviews. My name is Jonathan. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm actually not really doing a car review itself today, but what I am doing is a comparison video of the factory amp, which is down there. As you can see, I started to take it apart, but I'm having a little bit of trouble, but I will figure out here very soon. See, the glove box is out and all that stuff and all my belongings. So what I'm actually doing is a quick review and comparison on this Phantom Audio, which is designed and tuned by Levi Kelley. I will leave some information in the description below and how you can go about getting yourself one of these. This is literally a direct plug and play to the factory amplifier, and I'm really excited to put this in once I get the other one out. I mean, it's a pretty pain in the ass to get out. Like, I've already gotten the two bottom bolts, as I'll go around and show you. Like I said, I already have the two bottom bolts that go in right here. You gotta, you gotta unplug these harnesses to get to it. And here's my little high-low converter for my subwoofer that I installed. So there's two bolts right on the bottom. There's two 10mm bolts. You can just simply get to those with a regular ratchet and maybe a small extension. And it's a 10mm socket, like I said. The one I'm having trouble with right now is the one that is somewhere up here. I'm not sure you can see that on the camera, but there's one up here, which I'm gonna go inside and grab another extension to get to it. And you just gotta basically take it off, just unscrew it a couple little turns, because if you look on this one, it's just a hook that goes onto it. So just gotta loosen a couple turns and then you'll be able to get it out. So let me go ahead and take care of that, and I'll be right back to show you the comparison. So actually, before I take everything apart and put the new one in, I'm just gonna do a quick little sound comparison of the stock amp, and then I'll do a video with the new amp on there. So I basically listen to my music two different levels. I usually use at 25 for windows up, AC on, and then when I have the windows down, I have it at 35. So I'll start with 25 first. What I'm playing right now is a CD that somebody gave me off the street, and just gets to promote their music. So I do not own this video. I do not own the music in this video. So I'm just putting it out there right now before I get copyrighted. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes only. So 25. And I also have massive speakers, so it's going to sound a little bit clearer. And then I'm going to do it at 35 now for windows down. All right, let's get this damn amp out and do the comparison with the new amp. All right, so I got the new one in there. That's the original one right here. I didn't even bother putting this top bolt back in. That's how annoying it was to even take it out. So I wasn't even gonna bother taking it back in. I just bended it down and just fit it back up there, and it fits in there perfectly fine. So now, the comparison. Same thing again, 25 and 35.
How long this shit gonna go on? How many times y'all gonna play this fucked up goddamn thing? We losing two niggas. Not motherfucking new niggas. Two motherfucking niggas. Acting like you don't even know how to stop. He know how to stop. Ain't even real true.
So that's 25. It's definitely a lot louder, especially with CDs. And then 35 now.
I bet you fake it. George County, one time for the shit, the boy, man, cheap, no,
definitely a lot louder for sure. So definitely worth the money. I mean, it's, it costs a couple $100, but it's definitely worth it, especially if you want to keep the factory look to your car and not have to run any extra wires or anything like that. So like I said, I'll leave the information in the description below. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy what you see, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos, and I'll be doing some more reviews soon. Thank you guys. Bye-bye now. Sorry guys, real quick. I know it says the end of the video, and yes, I'm wearing a hat inside my room because my hair is an absolute mess. I haven't had a haircut for a couple weeks, so. I did have a chat with Jesse earlier today, And because I kind of felt like, even though the clarity of the amp is a lot better, you know, like the sound quality out of the amp is a lot more clearer, I kind of felt like it wasn't as loud as I thought it would be. So I did have a quick chat with him, and I have to allow about 40 hours of playing time for all the components to, I guess you could say, break in. And easy way for me to really say this is that, just let's say you just bought a brand new car. You have to do what, 500 up to 1,000 miles of braking. Kind of the same thing with the amp. So for me to get the full potential out of the amp, I have to allow it time for all the components to break in. So just the only problem is that I don't daily the TL anymore. I did pick up myself a little daily, which I will do a video on soon. So I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but so I really don't drive the TL much anymore now. So it's gonna be a while before I hit that 40 hours of braking time. But once I do, I will make another video about the amp to give you the full potential review about it. So sorry about that, guys. Anyway, now I'm done. Thank you.